Hello student, good morning. Today we will start the external features of rat. External features of rat. It is zoological name is Rattus rattus. External features. The rat is the typical mammal due to the presence of mammary glands and hairs. Rat is also a quadruped because all the four limbs touch the ground. Shape. Body is elongated and brownish in color. Division. Entire body is resonated into the head, neck, trunk and tail. The hair of pelages cover and protect the entire body. Head. The head is elongated and somewhat conical in shape, tapering anteriorly to terminal nodes. Head has the following structures: a pair of nostrils, a pairs of nostrils, or nares. They are found in front of the nose and lead into the nasal passages. Nostrils can be closed underwater. Hair leaf. A cleft is found below the nostril in upper lip and it exposes the two upper incisors. Mouth. It is found in a subterminal position of the head and head leads into the buccal cavity. Teeth. There are four incisors and molars. There are four incisors and molars. Canines and premolars are absent. The two front incisors teeth are long and they grow throughout the life of rat. These are cutting teeth and form characteristic features of the order Rodentia, to which rat belongs. The incisors teeth are self-sharpening and chisel-like. Eyes. Two, one on each side. The eyes share small each eyelids and a portion of cornea somewhat protrudes through the eyelids to give rise visions. The external eyelids has lacrimal glands, the secretion of which keeps the eye moist. A nictitating membrane is attached to anterior cornea of each eye. External ears of pinny. These are found on the posterior lateral area of head. Neck. Neck. It is the short region connecting the head to the body or trunk. It contains thoracic, abdominal and pelvic areas. In females, one pair of thoracic nipples, two pairs of axillary nipples, one pair of abdominal nipple and two pairs of inguinal nipples are seen on ventral surface. The urethral opening, vulval opening and anus lie close together in pelvic region. In males, there are two large testes in the scrotal sacs. The trunk region also contains forelimbs and hind limbs. Tail. It acts as a balancing organ. At its beginning, it contains small overlapping vestigial scales. External organs: nostrils, incisor teeth in the mouth, head, pinna, neck, thorax, forelimbs, manut, carpus, antebranchium, branchium, elbow, abdomen, pelvic area, urethral orifice, vulva, urinogenital aperture, scrotum, penis, anus, tail. This is the male organs, and vulva, urethral orifice, pelvic area, it is the female rat. Anus at the posterior side, hairs, vestigial, epidermal scales, tail, pitch, carpus, tarsus, heel, shank, knee, hind limbs, clitoris, inguinal nipples, abdominal nipple, axillary nipple, thoracic nipple, digits at the foot. This is the external features of rat. External features of rat. Tail, it acts as a balancing organ. At its beginning, it contains small overlapping vestigial scales. This is the eutherian or higher viviparous true placental mammals. They are hairy, warm-blooded, air-breathing, tetrapod vertebrates. Body is divisible into head, neck, trunk, and tail. There are 2 pairs of limbs. Limbs are pentadactyl with 5 digits adapted for the walking, running, and climbing, burrowing, swimming, and flying. Exoskeleton is made up of hairs, nails, claws, hooves, horn, spines, scales, and horny dermal scales. The skin in mammals is highly glandular with sweet sebaceous glands. The mammary glands in female producing milk for nourishment of young one. The thoracic and abdominal cavity is separated by muscular diaphragm. Endoskeleton is made up of bone and cartilage. Skull is dicotylic with large cranium and single zygomatic arc. Pterygoids are small. Otic bones are fused into periotic, forming tympanula along with tympanium. Dentary is made up of single bone of the lower jaw. Vertebrae are oscillous, bicephalous, ribs are present, and coracoids. Bone poorly developed. The alimentary canal ends into anus, the palate, separated buccal cavity, and nasal passages. Teeth are heterodont, thecodont, and diphyodont. Pulmonary respiration takes place. Larynx is the vocal cord. The 4-chambered heart is present for double circulation. There is no renal portal system. Non-nucleated round and small RBC are present. Metanephric kidneys excretes urine. Excretion is ureteric type, highly evolved. Brain contains convoluted cerebellum and cerebellum, corpora, quadrigemina, and corpus callosum present. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. Sense organs are well developed. Eyes are protected by eyelids. The upper eyelids is movable. Pinna is present. There are three auditory ears, ossicles. Cochlea is spirally coiled. Sexually differentiated is well marked. Male is with penis and testes are placed in scrotum. Eggs are with little quantity of yolk without cell covering. Fertilization, internal development of embryo is uterine. Fetus is attached by placenta for nutrition and respiration. Extra embryonic membrane, amnion, chorion, yolk, and allantois are present. Young are nourished by milk secreted by the mammary glands. This is the general characters of eutheria and external features of rat and rat, that is the zoological name is Rattus. Okay, thank you.